still. Rain lashing down outside. End of a season bottom. Maybe something more. Check it. Ducking from the downpour in the locker room haze, a muddy scene. You were staring at your worn out boots, lost up in a silent heavy dream. Said guess we can't go back, right, to those junior league days, if you know what I mean. True swimming in your eyes, kid, like a perfect sidestep, sharp and keen. So damn honest, it was painful, left me speechless, caught between. What the hell was I supposed to say to you through that emotional ravine? On our beloved rugby green, 'cause the season of our youth laid out on this hallowed ground so bright. It's slipping through our fingers, man, fading out of sight. And that wind of change, it's always blowing with all its relentless might, day and through the night. But we run and run, yo, we keep on pushing through the daily training grind. Sweat be pouring freely, no inch given, ain't no thought of leaving it behind. And if we ever make it there, to that final, a championship trophy we hope to find, maybe then I'll tell you everything that's truly weighing on my mind. Finally unwind. Remember sneaking on the floodlit pitch, way past when the gates were locked up tight. Sprawled out on the halfway line, yeah, counting stars beneath the pale moonlight. Those were the golden moments, replaying every tried, every hard-won fight. Now you're standing by the doorway, your jersey in your hand, a heavy silent plight, a fragile smile upon your face. Is this the final scene tonight? Are you hanging up your boots, walking from my sight? Yeah, the heart of a young player, no filter, wearing it all on the sleeve. Now it's getting torn to shreds, man, sometimes it's hard to believe. And the dreams we chase so fiercely, of lifting up that coveted cup, so hard to achieve what we try to weave. But we run and run, yo, we keep on pushing through the daily training grind. Sweat be pouring freely, no inch given, ain't no thought of leaving it behind. And if we ever make it there, to that final, the championship trophy we hope to find, maybe then I'll tell you everything that's truly weighing on my mind. Finally unwind. Yeah, even if right now we're just a small and fading light, our team a sun that's barely shown its face.